In this episode of Shamaym Under 60, we will see how to change the debrief template of an existing team. First, let's locate that team. I will click the My Teams tab, locate the team in hand, and click the three dots menu. Select Debrief Format. In this page, I will see on the left a roster of all question types available to me that I can add to the right portion, which represents the debrief format, the existing debrief format for this team. Every box here represents a different question or title. Beneath each question, there are attributes regarding that question. I invite you to take a closer look at this page since it holds many different options. That's it for now. Shamaym Under 60 on how to change debrief templates.